What's up, everybody? This is Eric, the tech preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. It's time to do gaming on the LG V60. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do 30 minutes of gaming on the LG V60, and we're going to do three things here. We're going to check out the battery life, we're going to look at the performance, and we're going to look at the CPU temperature on this device right here. So as you can see, I'm at 100% battery life, and we're about to start playing games on the LG V60. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm at 100% battery life on this device. And one thing I want to show you guys is the temperature. CPU temperature right now is 89 degrees Fahrenheit. 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some games. I'm going to set the timer and we're going to play games, open up some apps and see if I can take this device to the limit and see how much battery drain that I'm going to have. All right, so let me show y'all guys some disclaimers here. A lot of people want to ask these questions, so I want to make sure that I get these questions out of the way. All right, so here we go. I want to let y'all guys see battery percentage, battery usage, and also everything else here. Also, I'm going to go to extensions, I'm sorry, and I'm going to gaming. Right here, I'm going to gaming graphics. Everything in gaming graphics, guys, is on King Supreme. So I got high resolution, high frame rates. So no issues here. I want to make sure that I take this device to the limit. All right, so let's go and start the timer here. Boom, I got the nice big timer here on this LG V60. So let's go and start the timer and let's start the gaming. All right, guys, so we right over 31 minutes of gameplay. Now, I played a few games here. I'm on Call of Duty right now, but let's go and talk about some pros and cons with this. And let me get out of here. Let's go and look at the battery life. All right, so let's look at the battery life here on this device at about 31 minutes of gameplay. All right, so I'm at 93% battery life. All right, 93% battery life. Let's look at the CPU temperature. All right, 114 degrees. 107, 104, okay, 100 degrees. Now it's going down. Okay, so I'm at 92% battery life, and I was at 117 degrees, and it went down really fast after the phone kind of cooling off a little bit. All right, so 31 minutes of gameplay. I got about 92, 93% battery life, and it's all good. So let's talk about this for a second. All right, so look, here's the thing. I like playing games, but I'm so used to playing games on the display that once I started playing games using the dual screen, sometimes the virtual buttons don't work that well for me. Maybe I have to kind of play it a little more with the dual screen, but right now the dual screen didn't work that well for me. So if you notice in the video, I had to play with the screen because I started getting killed a lot. The device itself is not hot. Again, we're at 96 degrees Fahrenheit, and we had 92 battery life. Not bad. 32 minutes in. There it is. So the overall gaming experience on here is okay. Look, you're not going to get any drop frames, any stuttering, any hiccups or anything with this phone. You just got to get used to the virtual buttons. So the virtual buttons is something that you definitely got to get used to when playing games. So when you're using the gamepad, look, here's the thing. My hands kept slipping, my thumbs kept slipping off the display. So it wasn't working that well. Now, it would be nice if you had physical buttons. So the physical buttons will work very well. But since I had it like this, it didn't work that well. But hey, overall, it was a really good gaming experience. I had to use my fingers here on the display. But that is the gaming on the LG V60 right here. So the phone won't get hot. Now, it was a little over 100 degrees. It cooled off a little bit. And the gaming experience was pretty good. I still got to get used to the virtual buttons, but hey, it is what it is. This is Eric from AskEazyComputerSolutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V60 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.